If you're thinking about using Dropified for your dropshipping business, there are 12 things you need to know before making the final decision. We'll cover everything you need to understand about this platform, especially in comparison to its competitors, so you can make a more informed choice. First, Dropified offers an intuitive interface, which is great for beginners. If you're new to dropshipping, this could save you time and effort when setting up your store. Compared to competitors like Oberlo, Dropified's interface is slightly more advanced and includes additional features that might appeal to experienced entrepreneurs. Next, Dropified offers product sourcing from multiple suppliers, which is a huge advantage. They have integrations with suppliers like AliExpress, eBay, and more. This gives you access to a wider range of products compared to competitors like Shopify's built-in tool. However, some users have reported occasional syncing issues, so make sure to check product data before listing it. The third thing to know is the automation options available. Dropified offers order fulfillment automation, allowing you to automate tasks like order processing and tracking. While this is a strong feature, it's something that other platforms like Spocket also offer, but Dropified is often seen as more reliable in terms of order syncing. The fourth thing is the pricing. Dropified isn't the cheapest dropshipping software out there. It offers a 14-day free trial, but after that, it starts at $47 per month. This is a bit higher compared to Oberlo, which offers a free plan, but it's justified by the range of features Dropified includes, like advanced analytics. Moving on to the fifth thing, Dropified allows you to customize your store with advanced branding options. You can add logos, choose your product page's layout, and tailor your website's theme. This is an advantage over Oberlo, which offers fewer customization options without an additional cost. The sixth thing to know is that Dropified offers integration with various e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. This means you're not locked into one platform, giving you more flexibility compared to some competitors that only integrate with one. The seventh thing is customer support. Dropified offers 24/7 support, which is great if you run into issues. However, some users have found that response times can be slower during peak times, which is something to keep in mind when comparing to other platforms with faster support response. Next, the eighth thing to know is the data and analytics Dropified provides. You get access to detailed reporting, helping you track sales, profits, and inventory levels. While this is great, platforms like Spocket offer similar analytics, but Dropified's reporting system is considered a bit more advanced. The ninth thing is the ability to automate pricing rules, which means you can set up pricing rules based on factors like profit margins, product costs, and more. This is a standout feature that makes Dropified better than some other software, where automation is limited. The 10th thing is that Dropified supports product variants. This is useful if you sell products that come in different sizes, colors, or styles. Compared to Oberlo, Dropified has more flexibility in managing product variations, which could lead to a better user experience for your customers. The 11th thing is the range of marketing tools Dropified includes. From email marketing integrations to social media tools, it helps you build your brand. However, these tools are also available in many competitor platforms, though Dropified's built-in marketing features are still impressive. Lastly, Dropified's mobile app isn't as polished as other platforms. While it does offer some functionality for managing your store on the go, it's not as comprehensive as Shopify's mobile app or even Spocket's. In conclusion, Dropified is a solid dropshipping platform, offering strong features like product sourcing, automation, and integrations. But if you're looking for a platform with more refined tools and a better mobile experience, there are other options out there. We recommend checking out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It might be the better fit for your business needs.